Good morning, children. Welcome back to our maths online class. Today, a revision class for FA 2. See here is a portion. We have 4 chapters for FA 2 exam: measurements, ratio, average, time. These 4 chapters are FA 2 portion. In this video, I will explain the ratio and average chapter. Why? Because the two chapters are very simple. That's why at first of all, I am telling the two chapters. The next video measurements and the next video time I will send. In the previous classes, we already discussed that four chapters. But for the revision purpose, I am telling only the important sums for exam. Okay, now let's start. At first, we will start from the ratio chapter. See here. Children, see here the first Roman. Reduce the following ratio of their lowest term. Lowest term here we have to write. What is the question here? 6 is to 8. 6 is to 8. What is the symbol of ratio? పైన ఒక డాట్ కింద ఒక డాట్ పెట్టాలి. ఇది ఏమంటాము? రేషియో సింబల్. ఈజ్ టు 6 is to 8. 6 and 8 are there in one table only. What is the table name? Yes. What is the table? Very good. Two tables. See here I am writing the two table. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. Up to here I wrote. And now see here. What are the numbers here? 6 is to 8. 6 and 8 are the numbers. 6 and 8 is there in two table or not? See and tell. 6 is there and also 8 is also there. How many times 6 is there? 3 times. So write here 3. Again, what is the symbol of ratio? Is to know. Keep that symbol. And again 8 is there. How many times 8 is there? 4 times. So write here 4. What is the lowest term here? 3 is to 4 is the lowest term. And afterwards see the second question. 9 is to 6. 9 is to 6. 9 and 6 is there in which table? 9 and 6. ఈ టూ నెంబర్స్ కూడా ఒకే టేబుల్లో ఉండాలి. What is that? Very good. 3 tables. See here I am writing the 3 table. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. Children, 9 is to 6. 9 and 6 is there in 3 table or not? Yes, very good. 9 is there in 3 threes and 6 is there in 3 twos. So, which number here we have to write? Which number at first we have to write, Nana? Yes, 3. Afterwards, what we have to do? The symbol of ratio is to 2. ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలంటే ఇచ్చిన టూ నెంబర్స్ ఏ టేబుల్లో ఉన్నాయో చెక్ చేయాలి. చెక్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆ టేబుల్లో ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ ఉన్నాయో రాసి మనం రాసినటువంటి రేషియో సింబల్ ఈస్ దేర్ నో దిస్ ఈజ్ టు కీప్ దట్ అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్వర్డ్స్ సీ ద నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద లోయెస్ట్ టర్మ్ హియర్? 3 is to 2 is the lowest term. Next see the third one. 14 is to 21. 14 is to 21. 14 and 21 is there in which table? Yes, very good. 7 table. See here the 7 table. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. Next 7 fours are 28. Up to here I wrote. But here what is the numbers? 14 and 21. 14 and 24. 1 is there in 7 table or not? Yes, very good. 7 twos are 14. So write here 2. Again what we have to keep here, Nana? Very good. Is to. Ratio symbol. Again 21 is there. 21 is there in 7 table or not? Yes, 21 is also there. 3s are 21. Write here 3. 21. 2 is to 3. 14 is to 21 is the question. The lowest term is 2 is to 3. And again see here the fourth sum. 1200 is to 1500. Again I am writing here the question. See, 1200 is to 1500. This is the question. What we have to do here means, see Nana, these two zeros and these two zeros are cancelled. ఇక్కడ 2 zeros ని ఇక్కడ 2 zeros ని మనం క్యాన్సిల్ చేసాం. అప్పుడు మనకి what is the number here? Very good. 12 is to 15 is the number. Now this number, by using this number we have to write the lowest form. By using 12 and 15 we have to write the lowest form. 12 and 15 is there in which table? Very good. 3 table. See here the 3 table. 3 ones 3. 3 twos 6. 3 threes 9. 3 fours 12. 3 fives 15. 3 fives 15. Up to 5 I wrote here. Here see Nana. What are the number here? 12 is to 15 is the number. 12 is to 15. In 3 table 12 and 15 is there or not there? See and tell. Yes, very good. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. Here what we have to write? Very good Nana. 4 is to 5 here we have to write. At first what we have to do? First write the question. క్వశ్చన్ ఏది ఉందో అది సేమ్ కింద రాయండి. రాసిన తర్వాత అగైన్ క్యాన్సిల్ ద జీరోస్, కౌంట్ ద జీరోస్. సేమ్గా జీరోస్ ఉంటే క్యాన్సిల్ చేయాలి. ఒకవేళ ఇటువైపు 3 ఉండి ఇటువైపు 2 ఉన్నాయి అనుకో, క్యాన్సిల్ దిస్ 2 zeros ఓన్లీ. ఓకేనా? లెఫ్ట్ 1 0 అండ్ క్యాన్సిల్ ద 2 zeros. So here 2 zeros only there, here also 2 zeros only there, no? So cancel these 2 zeros. Next what is the number here? 12 is to 15 is there. 12 and 15 is there in only one table. 12 15 only one table lone undali. A table lo undi adi 3 table lo undi. So how many times are there? 12 and 15 in 3 table? 4 is to 5. That is the lowest term. 4 is to 5. Here first one, solved problems. First one, in a class of 35 students, 25 are girls and the rest boys. Find the ratio of the girls to the boys. How many students are there in a class? 35 students. How many girls are there in the class? 25 are girls. Rest of boys. 25 girls unaru. Remaining vallandaru evaru? Boys. Find out the ratio of girls to the boys. Here what we have to find out? Ratio to whom? Girls to the boys. Now see the solution. What is the question here? In a class of 35 students. How many students are there in a class? 35 students. First write that step. Number of students in the class. Number of students in the class. How many students are there? Yes, very good. 35 students are there in a class. Next, number of girls. How many girls are there? 25 are girls and the rest boys. Number of girls. See, number of girls. Number of girls. How many girls are there in that class? 25 members are there. Again, what we have to find here? Find the ratio of the girls to the boys. At first we have to find out the number of girls, that is 25. And again we have to find out number of boys. Number of boys. Number of boys means here we have to do the subtraction. Here we have to do the subtraction. Total class lo enta mandi unnaranta? 35 members unnaru. 35 members లో గర్ల్స్ 25 members ఉన్నారంట. ఇప్పుడు మనకి బాయ్స్ కావాలి అంటే గర్ల్స్ ని మైనస్ చేస్తే ఉన్నవాళ్ళే కదా బాయ్స్. రెస్ట్ ఎంతమంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉంటారు వాళ్ళు ఎవరు అవుతారు? ఇప్పుడు బాయ్స్ అవుతారు. సో హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ద సబ్ట్రాక్షన్. 5 minus 5 is equals to how much? 0. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So number of boys is equals to how many members are there? 10 members are there in that class. Boys and girls. Here boys and girls, what we have to do? Ratio here we have to find out. Find out the ratio. Evarki ratio kanukovali? Girls to the boys. Girls to the boys. First write here the girls. And next here boys. How many members are there, girls? Girls ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? 25. So right here 25. Again boys, how many members are there? 10 members are there. So right here 10. Now here we have to find out the ratio. Lowest term lo chudali ka 25 and here 10. 25 and 10 are there in which table? See nana, 25 10 ఏ table lo unnayi? Divisibility rules andarki vachu. Here 1's place 0 and here 5. These two numbers are divisible by which table? Very good, 5 table. So right here 5 table once we will check. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 5s are 25. Here what is the numbers? 25 and here 10 and 10. 25 means which number we have to write here? Yes, very good, 5. And here 10 is there, so 2. We have to keep here the ratio symbol. Okay. The ratio of the girls to the boys is equals to how much? See here. The ratio of the girls to the boys equals to 5:2. ఇప్పుడు మనకి గర్ల్స్ నుంచి బాయ్స్కి రేషియో కనుక్కోమన్నారు కాబట్టి 5:2 అవుతుంది. అదే మనల్ని బాయ్స్ టు ద గర్ల్స్ అన్నారనుకో రివర్స్ అవుతుంది, 2:5 అవుతుంది. ఓకే. See in your textbook page number 102. 102. Third sum. Look at the figure and determine the ratios. Here we have to see these pictures and write the ratios. See, this is the mother. Mother age is 28 years. Son age is 7 years. Daughter age is 4 years. And father's age is 32 years. 28, 7, 4, 32. This is the age of the family. And again here we have to find out the ratio. Father's age to mother's age. Here what we have to find out? Father's age to mother's age. What is the age of the father? 32. First write here 32. Here we are finding the ratios. Now keep the ratio symbol. And again mother's age. What is the mother's age? 28. 28. This is the answer. First average కనుక్కోమన్నారు వాళ్ళది రాయండి. నెక్స్ట్ రేషియో సింబల్. అగైన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్స్. నెక్స్ట్ see the second one. Father's age to son's age. Father's age to son's age. Here what is the age of the father? 32. Right here 32. And keep symbol. Okay na? And keep the ratio symbol. Again see son's age. What is the age of here son's? 7. So write here 7. Next, father's age to daughter's age. What is the age of your father? 32. And again which age we have to write? Daughter's age 4. Next, mother's age to son's age. Mother's age. Mother's age is 28. And again keep the ratio symbol. And son's age. What is the age of the son? 7 years. So right here 7. Children, up to now we finished the ratio chapter, and next we are going to discuss about the averages chapter. Average chapter. Set of numbers. Find the average of each set of numbers. Each set of numbers we have to find out the average. Here I wrote already first sum. 9 rupees, 7 rupees, 8 rupees. How many are there here? 1, 2, 3. At first what we have to do means మీకు ఈజీగా చెప్తాను చూడండి. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఒక ఫార్ములా ఉంది కదా, మీరు గుర్తుంచుకోవాలని చెప్పానా, ఆ ఫార్ములా రాయండి ఫస్ట్. సో యావరేజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఇలా పెట్టేసేయండి. సో హియర్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్? టోటల్ సమ్. Total sum by number of quantities. This is the formula. Average equals to total sum by number of quantities. Total sum by number of quantities. So again write the average is equal to total sum. మనకి ఇచ్చిన నెంబర్స్ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి? 9, 7, 8. 9, 7, 8. Write that one here. 9 plus 7 plus 8 by number of quantities. How many numbers are there here? 1, 2, 3. Again write here down 3. ఓకేనా? ఇచ్చిన నెంబర్స్ అన్ని కూడా ఇట్లా ప్లస్ చేసుకొని రాయాలి. 9 plus 7 plus 8 by ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 1, 2, 3. సో 3 నెంబర్స్ అని ఇక్కడ వేసేయాలి. అగైన్ see here, add down. Average equals to, here we have to count this one. Count this one and tell. 9 plus 7 is equals to how much? 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 plus 8. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. How many are there? 24. By, what is the denominator number? 3. 24 by 3. 24 by 3. Average is equals to 24 by 3. And now what we have to do means, here we have to do the division. Okay, Nana? Now here we have to do the division. So, see here. 3, 24. In 3 table, 24 is there or not that tell. See here, I am writing the 3 table. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. What is the number here? 24 is there. How many times in 3 table 24 is there? 8 times. So, in quotient, write here 8, here 24. 24 minus 24 is equals to 0. So, what is the average here? Average is equals to 8. Average is equals to 8. ఓకేనా? అర్థమైంది నాన్న? ఫస్ట్ ఏం రాసుకోవాలి? ఫస్ట్ యావరేజ్కి మనకు ఒక ఫార్ములా ఉంది కదా, యావరేజ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు టోటల్ సమ్ బై నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ క్వాంటిటీస్. ఇది రాసుకోవాలి. తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలంటే టోటల్ సమ్ చేయాలి కదా, ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయో వాటిని. సో యావరేజ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 9 plus 7 plus 8 by number of quantities. How many numbers are there here? 1, 2, 3. In denominator write 3. Next again, average is equals to, so total sum means what we get? 24. 24 by 3 is the answer. Again, what we have to do now at last step is, here we have to do the division. Division. So what is the quotient here? 8. The average is equals to 8 rupees. Average is equals to 8 rupees. 19 centimeters, 18 centimeters, 27 centimeters, 24 centimeters. At first what we have to write? At first we have to write the average equals to total sum by number of quantities. Formula is there, no? Write that one formula. See here, Nana. Average equals to total sum by number of quantities. Total sum by number of quantities. Total sum means how many are there here? See, 19 plus, next 18 plus, next 27 plus, next 24 by which number here we have to write? Just count how many are there. Write that number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In here, second one, problem solving sums. In that first one, see Nana, there are 5 subjects in the quarterly examination. There are 5 subjects in the quarterly examination. How many subjects are there? Yes, very good. 5 subjects are there. Anita got ఇక్కడ అనితకి ఎన్ని మార్క్స్ వచ్చాయో ఇచ్చారు చూడండి. 84, 82, 74, 85 and 60 marks. What are the marks? Again I am telling Sinana. 84, 82, 74, 85 and 60 marks. What is her average marks? What is her average marks? Again here what we have to find? Average marks కనుక్కోవాలి. అంటే ఏం చేయాలి, మనకి ఇచ్చినవన్నీ 5 సబ్జెక్ట్స్ కదా, ఇది ఎక్కడ వేసుకుంటాము, నెంబరు డినామినేటర్లో వేసుకోవాలి. పైన ఏం వేసుకోవాలి, వీటన్నిటిని కలిపి మనము యాడ్ చేసి సమ్ చేసి వేసుకోవాలి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా హియర్? యావరేజ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు టోటల్ సమ్ బై నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ క్వాంటిటీస్. ఓకే, నౌ సీ ద సొల్యూషన్. Solution nana. Okay, total number of subject. At first we have to write the total number of subject. How many subjects are there? Yes, 5. Total number of subjects is equals to 5. Total number of subjects is equals to 5. Anita got marks. How many marks Anita got? Now tell. Anita got marks is equals to 84, 82, 74, 85 and 60. And 60. ఇవన్నీ అనితకు వచ్చినటువంటి మార్క్స్. Again what we have to calculate here? Average, no? So what is the formula of average? Average is equals to total sum by number of quantities. Total sum by number of quantities. Average is equals to total sum by number of quantities. So total sum means what we have to do here? We have to add these 5 subject marks. So see here nana, average equals to 84 plus 82 plus 74 plus 85 plus 60 by number of quantities. How many subjects are there? 5 subjects are there, no? So in denominator write here the number 5. 84 plus 82 plus 74 plus 85 plus 60 by 5. Here we have to add these numbers. Add these 5 numbers. See here. 84, 82, 74, 85, 60. ఈ అన్ని నెంబర్స్ని మనం ఇప్పుడు యాడ్ చేయాలి. చూడండి, 4 plus 2 is equals to how much? 6. 6 plus 4 is equals to 6 plus 4 ఎంతనైనా 10. 10 plus 5 15. 15 plus 0 15 only. Write here 5 and write here 1. 8 8. 8 twos are how much? 8 twos are 16. Here 1 7 is there and here 1 is there. 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. 16 plus 7. 16 after 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 plus 8. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 31 plus 6. 31 plus 6 is equals to 37. 37 here 1 is there, no? So add this one also. 38. Total how much? 385. So write here average equals to 385. 385 by 5. Here what we have to do, Nana? Here we have to do the division. See here 5 385. 5 385. In 5 table 38 is there or not there? 38 is not there, but 35 is there, no? Tell how many times 35 is there? 5 ones are 5. See here I am writing 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40. But what is the number here? 38 is there. Here in 5 table 38 is there or not there? In between 35 and 40 the number 38 is there. But in table 38 is not there. So here we have to take the 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. Here we have to take. Write the 7 in quotient and write here 35. Again here we have to do the subtraction. 8 minus 5 is equals to how much? 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. Again here we have to take down the number 5. 35 is there in 5 table. How many times? 7 times. 7s are 35. 35 minus 35 is equals to how much, Nana? 35 minus 35 is equals to 0. So here what is the average? Average. Tell Nana, what is the average here? AVERAGE. Average is equals to, here quotient is there, no? Quotient ఏదైతే వస్తుందో మనకి అదే average అవుతుంది. So average is equals to 77. 77. ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి? ఎన్ని సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయో అన్ని సబ్జెక్ట్స్ రాసాము. టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ is equals to 5. అగైన్ అనిత గాట్ మార్క్స్. ఎన్ని మార్క్స్ వచ్చాయి? 84, 82, 74, 85 and 60. Any marks వచ్చాయో అన్ని marks రాయాలి. Again we have to write the formula. Average formula is there, no? Average is equals to total sum by number of quantities is there, no? Write that one. Afterwards average is equals to ఇక్కడ మనకు వచ్చిన ఏమైతే ఉందో అన్నిటిని యాడ్ చేయాలి. యాడ్ చేసి by 5. Average is equals to what we get the here addition? 385 is there, no? Write that one, 385 by, here how many subjects are there? 5 subjects, no? Write that 5 in denominator. Here we have to do this division. This numbers, by using these numbers we have to do the division. This is the division. What we get the quotient here? 77. So the average marks of Anitaki ఎంత వచ్చింది average total గా? Average is equals to 77. Average is equals to 77. Okay children, in this video what I told, learn that one only. Okay, in the next video I will send the measurement chapter, but compulsory you have to see the video. Thank you. See you in the part 2.